Since the beginning of time, people around the world have always explored and enjoyed nature. And all nature lovers have their outdoor essentials. Among these is the original and iconic Moka Express, the ideal coffee maker for nature lovers, since it only produces compostable waste, and to wash it you just have to use water, no detergents. Bialetti loves nature too and supports the WWF Project Bear 2x50 with the aim of saving the critically endangered Apennine bear population from extinction. An ambitious challenge to guarantee a future for a symbol of Italy's environmental heritage.